What's up, my sweeties? It's TeeElle, baby, and I'm back with another one. Click that subscribe button. Come on and join the fun. Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Today, I'm doing a last-minute New Year's punch bowl DIY. So here you see I have 2 bowls. I also purchased these bows. It comes with 2 on there. They are so pretty, and they give just the whole New Year's vibe. I have this glass. You only need 1 glass, your hot glue sticks, your hot glue gun. So first I'm going to start by ripping the stickers off the backs of the bowls. I tried ripping the sticker off the back of the glass. It didn't work for me, so now we're going to move on to our bows. We're just going to pop them off the tag. So right now you're just going to see me stuffing the bows into the glass. After stuffing the glass, I'm going to take bowl number 1 and flip it over. And now I'm going to get my hot glue sticks ready to go inside of my hot glue gun. Now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just glue the rim of the glass. And now the center of the bowl. So now flip the glass on the bottom of the bowl and gently push down. I wanted to make sure that things were nice and secure, so I just took my hot glue gun and went around one more time. Now I'm going to glue the top of the glass. Then place bowl number 2 directly on top of the glass. As you can see here, I'm just securing it again with my hot glue gun. As my dad would say, and here it goes. The completed punch bowl DIY project from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree DIY project, this punch bowl. We'll put that spoon in there. So guys, I'm not going to put anything in here because I'm going to wait until tonight. It is New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's to you all. I wish you all the best. God bless. Thank you so much for tuning in to Life is TeeElle. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment down below.